Hi friends, welcome to our ExcelAtoZ-KIRAN YouTube channel. Today onwards, I need to explain Playwright tutorials step by step, and I will upload all the videos in playlist. And this Playwright beginner level to pro level, you will get clear cut picture and powerful step by step. I will explain. Before we are learning Playwright, we need to learn about the TypeScript. Okay, this TypeScript is simple. I will open the TypeScript dashboard playground so that you will get idea what is a TypeScript. Okay, I'll open the browser. Here if you see uh, google.com, and here give the TypeScript online compiler. Okay, this is the TypeScript online compiler. You can open this one, and here it is a simply we will write our code, uh, our TypeScript. It is a simple way we will write the TypeScript program. Before you are writing the programs, few concepts are important. We should learn those concepts. Okay, first is the variable. Okay, variables. Okay, variable is the container. Container to store the values. Here example, a and b are some values. The variable is the container to store the values. Okay, and example a and b. Next is the data types. Okay, we have so many data types. Concepts are there, and mainly we have focus on this data types. Okay, what is the data type? It is a data type is the in computer language. Data type will help computer to understand which type of data variables storing. Okay, data type is in computer language. In computer language, data types will help computer to understand which type of data, which type of data is storing. For example, number is the one data type. Here 1 2 3 4. If you are giving that numbers, if you are giving 1 2 3, right, computer may not understand the what data type you are giving. Okay, if you wherever we have to initialize the numbers, compulsory we should give the number data type. Okay, in computer language, data type will help computer to understand which type of data it is storing. If storing the 1 2 3 or 1 to 100 numbers, then we need to give the number is the one data type. Okay, if you are storing the like Kiran or names Ramesh or any kind of strings, or you are storing the data, right? Okay, or any kind of names or places or anything alphabets, you have to store the data type as string. Okay, String is the another one data type, and it is storing the data. It form of alphabets like names, places, words, sentences, like on. Okay, and another one is the if it is data is a true or false. If we have any if we are writing the data, if this is a true kind of data or false kind of the data, writing the program, then another data type is the boolean is the another data type, and storing the data, it's a form of true or false. Okay, mainly these are the data types are there, and we have so many data types are there, but mainly we are focusing on any program, numbers, strings, boolean, and arrays. So many are there. Okay, step by step we are explaining day to day, and more data types also included in further sessions. Okay, now another here number is the it's storing the numbers. Okay, string is the group of characters and known as a string. Okay, boolean is the it is true or false. Okay, now coming to now we need to write a simple TypeScript program to form of data types and variables. Now we will get one point here. Here one data type is there, letter. Here when you use this variable, we need to assigning any value to the variable. Okay, if you are assigning any value, we need to use as let variable, assigning the value to variable. We can use this let variable. Okay, for example, here let number is to 100. Okay, let let's we will go to the playwright playground. Sorry, it is TypeScript playground, and we will write that simple program. Okay, let okay, if you see this other keywords also, let length, so many are coming, right? Okay, let number. Okay, number is to, for example, 100 I am giving. Okay, now we need to run the program. Okay, here if you are running the program, right, I have to give we need to print the program. Okay, now I need to give the console.log console.log. Here I am giving as a let a is to, okay, or otherwise a is to number equal to 100. Okay, now we need to give the semicolon. Okay, now if you see this, let a is to number is equal to 100. Console.log means we need to print the value. Okay, now I am giving the a. What data we need to print the value? Whatever a, let a variable are there, right? Here 100 is there. 100 it should be print. Okay, now I'm running the program. Okay, here it is coming 100. Okay, same way, if you are giving that for example string group of characters, right, let b is to string. Okay, string is in the form of group of characters. Here we need to give double quotes, Kiran Kumar I am giving. Okay, this Kiran Kumar string we need to print the console, print the in TypeScript. Okay, console dot log what we need to give b. Okay, b data what are there, we need to print that one. Okay, first run. Okay, both the programs are running. Okay, first program is 100 is printing, and the second one is a, string group of characters Kiran Kumar is printing. Okay, yeah, I hope everyone understood. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tutorials on QA automation Playwright. Thank you so much for watching my videos.